Hello everyone, I'm going to explain Total Physical Response method. Total Physical Response is also known as TPR. It was developed by Dr. James Asher, a professor from San Jose State University in the 1970s. It is a way of teaching language that uses both verbal communication and physical body movement. It is based on the experience of how humans learn their first language. When children learn their mother tongue, their parents and carers are very physically involved in imparting language. They demonstrate and instruct, and the child responds in kind. TPR encourages the students to be active during the class. Teacher involves the students into dynamic activities that make them to get new knowledge. For example, when a teacher uses body movements to show the meaning of a word, students with little English begin to associate a word with a physical action. The coupling of actions and speech naturally makes learning easier. There are many activities that can be involved into TPR activities. Here we have 4 examples. The first one is Introduction to Words. TPR is great for introducing new vocabulary and should be first demonstrated and then repeated by the student. For example, introducing words for feelings can be shown with exaggerated facial expressions. The second one is Simon Says. With this game, a student can learn commands and various actions while getting them moving and having fun. The third one is TPR storytelling, or acting out actions while speaking, is another fun way to get students to use vocabulary with body movements. The last one is charades. That is another TPR lesson example that can teach vocabulary for sports, weather, and almost any action. TPR is suitable for teaching English to young learners because students actively use both the left and right sides of their brains. Students are not required to speak until they are ready to, therefore creating a safe zone that greatly lowers inhibitions and stress. As no one is called upon individually, TPR is great for introverted students. It works with both small and large groups. Limited materials and planning mean it's simple for teachers to prepare. Although it is a useful method, it has some weaknesses. For example, students who are not used to such things might find it embarrassing. When a teacher uses TPR in their lessons, they will have trouble teaching abstract vocabulary or expressions. As a remedy, the teacher can write the word on cards with a picture if applicable. TPR can be ineffective if the teacher uses it for a long period of time without switching it with other activities that help teach the target language. Taking everything into account, I can say that the use of this method can be very beneficial for young students, or even of any age who need to learn vocabulary or imperatives. It is an attractive method for students as it is dynamic and prevents students from getting bored. In this way, they can relate actions or movements with the target language. Finally, I think that the current situation does not affect the realization of this method so much. It does complicate it a bit, but I think that even through virtual classes, TPR can be put into practice. It is just a matter of getting used to seeing the students through the camera and present a good attitude during classes. Thanks for watching.